Want to update your name in the Grok AI app? Maybe you've changed your info or just want to fix a typo. Either way, it only takes a few seconds to change your first and last name. Here's how to do it. Open the Grok AI app on your phone, and on the main screen, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. When the side menu opens, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see your profile along with your current name. Next to it, there's a small gear icon. That's your settings. Tap on it. Once you're in settings, you'll see your profile picture, your name, and the email linked to your account. Right on your profile picture, there's a small pencil icon. Tap that. A new page will appear showing 2 fields, one for your first name and one for your last name. These will already be filled with your current info. Simply tap into each field, delete or edit the text, and enter your new name. Take a quick moment to double-check everything. When you're happy with how it looks, tap Save in the top right corner. And that's it. Your updated name will appear instantly on your Grok AI profile. Changing your name in the app is quick, simple, and works the same on both iPhone and Android devices. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more Grok AI tips,